How to connect a printer to T-Mobile home internet. Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your printer to your T-Mobile home internet so you can print wirelessly from any device. Step 1. Make sure your T-Mobile home internet is on. Check that your T-Mobile home internet router is plugged in and the Wi-Fi is active. Note your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. You'll need these to connect your printer. Step 2. Power on your printer. Turn on your printer and make sure it has paper and ink. Access the printer's control panel or screen. Step 3. Connect printer to Wi-Fi. On the printer menu, go to Network Settings or Wireless Setup. Select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard or similar. Find your T-Mobile Wi-Fi network name, SSID, from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. Wait for the printer to connect. Step 4. Confirm connection. Your printer should show connected or Wi-Fi connected on the display. You can also print a network configuration page to confirm the IP address. Step 5. Add printer to your computer or phone. On your computer or phone, go to Settings, Printers and Scanners. Select Add a printer and choose your printer from the list. Make sure your device is connected to the same T-Mobile Wi-Fi network. Step 6. Test print. Try printing a test page or document to confirm everything is working wirelessly. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.